Okay, guys. So in the last class, in the last video, we have gone through how you will create a project and all that things, right? So now we will understand this. What we did in the last, we have created a project, then we have created a package, then class, and this normal code I wrote. In the normal code, we saw okay, these things automatically dumped by the Eclipse that we wrote one line of code. This is actually okay. Now we will understand this actually what we wrote. So I told that when you will create a class, so your Java file will be created with the same name. So this is one line. That means what? Your class name and your Java file name will be same. Okay. And let's start to understand from the first line. So you can see that in every Java file, when you will create in the Eclipse, when you will create a class, so first line will be the information of your package. So you can see that package, this is root, this is already root, package and fundamental. That means this first demo.java, this means this first demo class is belonging to the package fundamental. That means this first demo class is under the fundamental package. So in every Java file, first line will be the information of package. So here in the first demo, the package fundamental might be there will be other. I'm creating second demo.java. So in the second demo.java, if you are keeping under the fundamental, so information will be package fundamental. Suppose you are creating other package. Suppose you are creating other package. Like let me create it under the SRC. Right click here, new and package. Suppose I'm creating demo package, demo pack. Okay, always keeping the package name in lowercase. Keep in mind. Okay. In demo, right click here, new, and I'm creating one class. Suppose I'm creating one class, second demo. Okay, and I'm just selecting this public static void main string argues, click on finish button. So you can see that in the first, what is coming, package demo. That means your second demo class is belonging to the demo package. So in every Java file, your first line information will be from which package your Java file your class is belonging. So you can see that package demo, right? Like here, first demo, package fundamental. That means your this file is under the package fundamental, your first demo that is belonging under the fundamental package. Semicolon means line is completed. Like that, while you are writing the things in English, like that, my name is Raj. I am belonging from Delhi. So my name is Raj. Dot. I'm belonging. I'm belonging from Delhi. Dot. I'm a software engineer. Dot. So we are writing the dot means your line is completed. Like in Java, semicolon means line is completed. Okay. So in the here in this Java file, so what is the first line? Your package information will be, and from which package it is belonging, and semicolon means line is completed. Fine. Create. Good. Now, second is here class name. So I told while we are creating a class, so with the help of class name, your same Java file will be created. So class we have created. So, and we mark this class as a public. So first, let me come under this about the class. So we have created a class. Their class name is first demo. What? We have created a class and class name is first demo. If we are creating a class, that means we are creating a block. What? If I'm saying I'm creating a class, that means I'm creating a block. Their name is first demo. I'm creating a class first demo. That means what? I'm creating a block. Their name is first demo. And the area of this block is from this start to close curly braces. And all the code we will write under this start to close curly braces. Okay, let me repeat it. I'm creating a class first demo. That means for understanding, keep understand like that. Class we have created, that means a block I have created, and block name is first demo. And the area of this block to start to close curly braces, and we are writing all the code under this start to close curly braces. Clear? Fine. Okay. And I marked this class as a public. That means any world can use it. In future, after when I will start teaching you the OOPS concept, so that time I will teach you one topic access specifier. Access specifier means public, protected, private, default. This is, so we will learn there ki what is the work is, what is the scope of public, where we can use, private, where we can use. We will learn all the scope, but here we saw the public. So that means, let me introduce about the public. Public is the access specifier. If you are writing anywhere before anything public like that, here before the class I am writing the public, that means any other class belongs to any other package, yeah, from same package. What I'm saying, might be under this fundamental package there will be one more Java file, so that Java file can also use this class. If suppose this is the demo, this belongs to other Java file, so this, there is one Java file inside this second demo. If you want to use, to that is used because it is public. That means if you are writing the public, that means any one in the Java, in the complete Java world, public things can be accessed. That means if I'm marking this class as a public, that means complete Java world can use this class, right? If I will not write, if I will not write public, that means it is not going to use into the complete Java world. Okay, here we wrote public, that means this class first demo and whatever the code is inside, whatever the code written under this first demo under this class will be used by anyone in the Java world. That means I have created a class name is first demo, and all the code under this class I wrote, and I marked this class as a public. That means anyone in the Java world can use it. Okay, any doubt till now? Let me know. Clear?
No, it's clear. Yeah.
Okay. Second thing, and now I'm coming to the part public static void main string argues. What is the line? I'm saying always this is a very important line. This is very important line. So what is the important here? Public means, again, if you are writing anywhere public, that means the things that can be used by complete Java world. So let me take on the notepad. So let me make you understand what it is actually. Public, so I told public means public. That means public is access specifier. Specifier. What is the meaning of it? Complete Java world can use it, right? That means what is the static? So before understanding the static, first we will listen one theory, one story actually. See, when you thought ki, yeah, we need to work on a Java program, so what you did? You have installed Java in your laptop, right? Right? Suppose if you want to write a Java code, so what is actually required for you? You need to install Java in your laptop. Then after now you can do Java coding. So I want to know what exactly installed in your laptop, so that while you are writing the Java code, it is going to execute and you are getting the output. You understood my question? My question is, suppose if you want to work on a Java, you want to write a Java program, so what you actually required? You need to install the Java in your laptop. So my question is, actually when you have installed the Java in your laptop, so what exactly installed in your Java, so that after installing the Java, you are able to write a code, execute the code? How? So guys, actually when you have installed Java in your laptop, when you have installed Java in your laptop, so actually one machine is installed in your laptop. When you have installed Java in your laptop, so one machine is installed in your laptop. That machine you cannot see. That machine is virtual machine, and this machine is given by Java. That machine we are also saying as a JVM, right? That means when you install Java in your laptop, so one machine is installed in your laptop. That we are also saying with the word JVM, Java Virtual Machine. And this Java Virtual Machine is responsible to load the Java code and execute the Java code. And one more thing, how your Java code is executing. Suppose you wrote this line of code, this code you wrote. So while you are executing now, it is executing in two phases. First, this complete program is going to load on your JVM. Second, it will execute. So how JVM, what is the work of JVM? The work of load the Java code. Okay. Second is load the Java code, and second is execute the Java code. Clear? That means if you are executing any program, it is executing in two steps. First, it is going to load on the JVM, and then after it is executing. So this static keyword, this static is responsible to load the Java code, right? Clear? This static is responsible to load the Java code. Fine. That's why here static is here. Static is responsible to load the Java code on JVM. Fine. When you will execute, so whatever the code you wrote under the static, right? Under this here. So the code is going to load on a JVM, right? Second is, and one more thing. The thing is, if I'm saying static is responsible to load the Java code on JVM, so okay, that's fine. That's a normal. Just you thought key. How I'm saying static is responsible to load the Java code. So see, JVM is in your laptop. JVM is installed in your laptop somewhere, and you are writing the Java code on Eclipse, right? So how JVM will know कि you want to execute the Java code? You want to load the Java code. You are on Eclipse. Try to understand. You are on other application. You are on Eclipse, and JVM is installed in your laptop. So how JVM will get to know you want to load the code and want to execute? So when you will trigger, so this static will hit to the JVM. Ki, hey JVM, please load the code. So JVM will up and load the code, right? Second, so that's why I'm saying static is responsible to load the JVM code. Second is this void main string. What actually this is? Actually, this is a main method. This is the main method. And this is known as, it is main method used to execute the code, right? So as I told, load the code and execute the code. So static is responsible to load the code, and this main method is used to execute the code. Actually, this is the syntax to write a main method. Actually, main is the method. So when I will complete these fundamental topics, right? Like then after I will teach the oops concept. So there I will teach you how you will create a method and all that. So, but here the method is created. This is the by default main method. So main, this is the method. So how the method is created? Main is the method. This is taking the some parameter like the string things, and this is the return type void. So if you are new, so might be you will not able to get it what it is. So don't don't be confused with this. So just understand like that. Main is the method, and these are to write. This is the syntax to write a main method. That's it. When I will teach the main method after 4 to 5 class, so you will understand what actually it is. When I will start the method topic, so you will get it. But for now, just understand that this is the main method, and this is the syntax to write a Java code. Here you need to learn what is the work of this main method. So main method used to execute the code. That's it. And we are also saying there is one line we are always saying for the main, main is the entry point in Java. Main is the entry point in Java. With the help of your main method, your Java code is going to execute. That's why we are saying this is the entry point in Java. With the help of only main, your code is going to execute. That means static is responsible to Java code, load the Java code, and this main method is to execute the Java code. And their area is to start to close curly braces. So that means this line, under this line means what is the area? From this start to close curly braces. Whatever the code you will write, that will execute. Otherwise, if you are thinking the code I will write outside of the things, no, it is not going to execute. Sorry. The code will always execute here only. Here only. Okay. The code that you want to execute, you have to write under this public static void main string arguments, right? The area is to start to close curly braces. And now system.out.println, what it is? System means your laptop, your computer system. Out means output. Println means print it. And whatever the things you will write under a double quote, that will print. Semicolon means line is completed. So this is to understand. But what actually? System is a predefined class in Java. System is the class that is already created by Java, just we are only using it. So system is a class created by Java that is denoting your system. There you are writing the code. Out is the variable. Out is the variable, right? Out is the variable. Println is the method. So when I will teach the method, so I will explain you. So println, print it and move to the next line. Means whatever, suppose whatever the thing, suppose you are printing the hello world. After printing hello world, move the cursor on the next line. That means, okay. So that when the hello world will be written, then your cursor will be to the next line. So that anything that you want to again write to that will be wrote in the next line, right? System is your by default class created by Java. Out means your there is one variable in Java, right? Okay. That means from output stream class this is belonging. So I will, when I will teach the things later in the topic of the Java, when we'll go, then you can understand actually from there it is actually. So for now, just understand system is a class, out is the variable, println is the method, and whatever the things we are writing in the double quotes, that is going to print it, right? And like that, just understand system is your computer system. Out means output. Println means print it and move to the next line. And what you need to print? Hello world. Semicolon means line is completed. So this is actually okay. And anywhere just to right click, run as Java program, Java application, execute it. Any doubt? Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Got it. Thank you. So second thing, suppose if your programmer, if your client is saying where means your this code, where in which version your Java, in which Java version your code is executed. So in this Java 18 version your code is executed, right? Suppose tomorrow if you are working on a project and your client is saying, I do not want to execute on Java 18, but you have already created the project with the Java 18, but your client is saying, no, I will execute on Java 14. Then so no issues. Just right click on Java library. Okay. Go to properties. Okay. Select what the version you require. If you have install 18, so whatever the lowest version lowest version of 18 like 17, 16 will here. Just click it, apply and close, and then your 14 will be here, and then you can execute. Okay. So any moment you can change the Java version. Okay. And you can execute the Java code. Okay. So in the next video, in the next class, we will learn a data type, and there we will learn how we will write alphabet in Java, how we will write word in Java, how we will write number in Java, how we will write decimal value in Java, how we will print it. And then after, if suppose if you are writing 100 line of code and do not want to execute some line of code like a 50 to 75 line, so how you will comment it, how you will skip it to execute. So that part will continue next. Okay. Bye bye.